Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get pills for eternal sugar cookie step by step. Start by defining whether you mean edible flavor pearls, freeze-drying additives, or novelty capsules, then choose food-grade suppliers. Check labels for allergen info and shelf life. Order small test batches and follow safe handling guidelines. Always store in airtight containers away from heat and humidity to maintain long-lasting flavor and texture for your cookies. Begin by researching reputable suppliers that sell edible encapsulated flavors or candy beads and verify their food safety certifications. Contact customer service to confirm ingredients and recommended storage conditions. Order small test quantities to evaluate flavor release and stability in your cookie matrix. Keep records of batch numbers, storage times, and tasting notes to refine future orders. This method reduces waste and helps you test by adding a small measured amount of the edible beads into a standard cookie dough and bake as usual, noting any changes in spread or texture. Taste at intervals to determine how flavor evolves over time and whether the beads maintain integrity. Track results in a simple log so you can tweak amounts or baking temperature. Repeat until you achieve a consistent, long-lasting flavor profile that survives storage and still delights tasters.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.